Hey y'all, a while back I did a video on my favorite pencils, and I said that my favorite splurge pencil was the Blackwing pencil. So anyway, since then I figured out that you could subscribe and receive their limited edition pencils that they come out with quarterly, I believe it is. Anyway, I subscribed. Mine came yesterday. I have not opened them, even though I wanted to. So anyway, this is an unboxing of the limited edition volumes from Blackwing. So let's get in here. It took extreme willpower to not open this yesterday. Oh man, wow. Okay, so here we go. Oh, here they are. Oh, yay, wow. All right, so here it is. These are the 12 limited edition pencils. I'm so excited. I'm ridiculously excited. So this is volume 223, the Woody Guthrie pencil. Here, if you want to read this, you can. Oh wow, it like tells you the finish, what color the eraser is, everything. I just love it. Anyway, this volume is a tribute to Woody Guthrie and his immutable optimism. Each pencil features a design inspired by this land's ribbon of highway, endless skyway, and Golden Valley. The matte black ferrule and earth-toned eraser are a nod to the many miles Woody traveled. We used our balanced graphite formulation that works well for both writing and sketching, so you too can fill your pages with what you see. So here we go. Each quarter we release a new limited edition pencil celebrating the people, places, and events that have defined our creative culture. And you can find out more about it here, about the volumes. blackwing.co/volumes. All right. So let's just see what else is in the box, and then we'll open up the pencils. Oh, these are the Woody Guthrie postcards. So we've got like a copy of his song lyrics. There he is. And self-portrait. Okay. All right. Now, let me make sure there's nothing else under all this fluff, and then I'll move it. Okay. There's not. All right. So one cool thing, I'll lay all this out here. One really cool thing that you get whenever you get the subscription is these are kind of collector's items. So you get a little collector tube. Let me free it from its thing. Okay. So how stinking cool is this? Okay, so here is this. This tube is glass with a cork, and the cork has the Blackwing logo on it there. And it has a little information label on here so you can collect your pencils. So every one you've got one. How cool. That's so cool. I'm going to have to make like a little holder thing to put my collection in. That is too cool. I love it. All right, so there's that. Let's open these. I mean, you've seen the pencil, but let's open. Here they are. So with the subscription, they automatically send you your sorry, I can't get the lid back on here. They automatically send you each month your all right. Got it. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay. So with the subscription, quarterly, they will send you your 12-pack of the limited edition volumes, pencils for that time, and then they send you your one pencil in your collector's tube. I didn't know that the postcards were going to come in with this, so I don't know if that's like a typical thing or if that was just with this one. This is my first time, getting the subscription. I've just bought a pack of volumes before. I have some purple ones. But this is my first time with a subscription, so I guess I'll see. But I love it. Love it, love it, love it. If you have never used a Blackwing before, or you're not familiar, I will see if I can link my video about my favorite pencils up above so that you can check that out, because I talk a lot about the pencils. So anyway, I'm so excited to get this. I love it. I can't wait. I know now I'm gonna have to wait months. I've been waiting months for these. I thought they were never gonna come because I subscribed, I believe, in January, and they had probably just shipped in December, so I had to wait. And then they came from California, and I'm on the East Coast, and I feel like that shipping takes forever. Maybe it's just when I'm like really super want something to come fast, it's forever. But anyway, I'm excited I got it. I cannot wait to start using these. It's cool that you get this collector one so that you don't feel like, oh, I've got to save all of these. Like, I'm going to use them. So anyway, that is that. I will put a link in the description to where you can sign up for this subscription if you would like, or where you can just buy Blackwing pencils. Sometimes you can buy some of the volumes, but a lot of times they're sold out. So you might be able to buy this one now because it just came out. So if you go to the website and it's on there and you want to get these, jump on it right now so that you can get it before they're sold out. Because, limited edition and all. But anyway, all right. So there we go. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you also are a Blackwing lover. Or if you have some other kind of pencil that you think I need to try because they're awesome. Because I love pencils and pens and any kind of stationery drawing items, whatever. I love all that stuff. So let me know if there's something that you love that you think I need to try, because I will. All right. See you later. Bye.